Good day. This is Tustin Mayor Dr. Allan Bernstein with your weekly update of the COVID-19 pandemic and its effect on our community. On June 15th, the County of Orange announced it will allow the reopening of practices for youth sports under COVID-19 industry guidance for day camps. Orange County requires all youth sports practices to follow state guidance of physical distancing and safety protocols for small and stable groups without spectators. At this time, youth sports activities will allow for practice only. There is no set time in which the state will reopen sporting events and games with spectators. Youth sports leagues must ensure that they meet the proper safety protocols as outlined in the COVID-19 industry guidance, which includes proper cleaning, disinfection, limits on the number of participants, and physical distancing. Youth sports leagues are also required to train all staff and families on how to follow safety actions, including screening practices and enhanced sanitation practices. As such, in conjunction with the state and county guidance, the City of Tustin will begin to allow youth sports groups to conduct practices, clinics, and camps at our parks, but no games, scrimmages, or tournaments are currently permitted. Parks and Recreation staff are currently working with various youth groups to verify that they are complying with the required state guidelines before they are allowed on the fields. As always with our field allocations, priority will go to Tustin-based groups. To make a reservation for one of our fields, please call 714-573-3326. That's 714-573-3326. For more information about the COVID-19 industry guidance for day camps and youth sports, please visit the website listed below. Public health experts say face coverings can help prevent transmission of the coronavirus by limiting the spread of respiratory droplets that an infected person expels when they talk or sneeze. While those who know they're sick are asked to stay home, people who have not yet developed symptoms or have very mild symptoms are believed to be able to spread the virus to others. We are far from out of the woods on this pandemic, and medical experts agree that face coverings can help reduce the community spread of COVID-19. As the data has shown, COVID-19 is indeed deadliest to our older adults and most vulnerable population. But make no mistake, COVID-19 continues to be highly contagious amongst all groups. Just this week, the state reported that 44% of new cases are in people 34 years and younger, and as of today, June 18th, 10 deaths were recorded. Face coverings are an inexpensive and minor inconvenience, but they are an important part of a strategy to save lives. The City of Tustin encourages everyone to continue using face coverings, practicing social distancing, avoid gatherings, repeated hand washing and disinfecting services whenever possible to prevent the spread of COVID-19. This is your opportunity to be truly socially conscious. Be responsible to our community, wear a face covering, and save a life. Starting this week, the Tustin Library is offering curbside pickup service for library users who wish to pick up new library books. Visit their website at ocpl.org to search their vast catalog and place your items on hold. After receiving notice via email or phone that the item is ready, drive to the library and call the number posted on the curbside pickup sign. Staff will place the items on the outside table and return inside. Once staff returns inside, you are able to retrieve the items. It's that easy, Tustin. Happy reading. Remember, knowledge is power. On June 12th, the state began allowing for dine-in service for the restaurant industry. Restaurants wishing to reopen for dine-in are required to create a workplace-specific plan, train employees, have individual control measures and screening in place for employees, follow cleaning and disinfecting protocols, and adhere to physical distancing guidelines. We have many great food establishments in Tustin that have all these protective measures in place and are open for dine-in service. One such restaurant is Bronx Sandwich on Newport Avenue. The owner, manager, and staff have followed all the guidance released by the state and are open now, serving great food for dine-in or takeout. Let's remember to responsibly shop and dine locally here in our town, Tustin. For more information on industry guidance and Tustin businesses, visit the Tustin Chamber website at tustinchamber.org. However you choose to help support our Tustin businesses, we thank you. Though we do not know what the coming hours, days, and weeks may hold, we all do know that we are all in this together and that our community remains Tustin strong. Be well, and God bless.